Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Environmental issues.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are related to the environmental issues.
We will also give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary. Pollution. It is the act of putting harmful substances into the environment. Pollution. Here's an example.
Environmentalists are alarmed by the dramatic increase in pollution.
Hazardous waste. It refers to a waste with properties that makes it dangerous or capable of having a harmful effect. Hazardous waste. Here's an example.
The ash residue from the burning of hazardous waste itself is highly toxic.
Endangered species. It refers to a species with very few animals remaining. Endangered species. Here's an example.
Endangered species need to be kept secure from poachers.
Deforestation. It refers to the destruction of forests. Deforestation. Here's an example. Deforestation has been shown to cause floods and drought.
Greenhouse gas. It refers to the gases in Earth's atmosphere that trap heat. Greenhouse gas. Here's an example.
Nuclear fusion produces no greenhouse gas emissions, and only low levels of radioactive waste.
Smog. It is a fog made heavier and darker by smoke and chemical fumes. Smog. Here's an example.
The thick smog hung in the air, obliterating the hills from view. Pesticides. It refers to chemicals used to kill bacteria or insects. Pesticides. Here's an example.
Pesticides can kill wildlife and pollute the atmosphere.
Non-renewable resources. It is a natural resource that cannot be readily replaced at a quick enough pace. Non-renewable resources. Here's an example.
Mining of non-renewable resources has caused severe environmental problems all over the world.
Extinction. It is the termination of a kind of organism or of a group of kinds, usually a species. Extinction. Here's an example.
Fur seals, elephant seals, and the great whales were all hunted to the brink of extinction.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Environmentalists are alarmed by the dramatic increase in
Letter A. Pollution.
Letter B. Deforestation.
Letter C. Smog.
The correct answer is Letter A. Pollution. Environmentalists are alarmed by the dramatic increase in pollution.
The ash residue from the burning of itself is highly toxic.
Letter A. Pesticides.
Letter B. Hazardous waste.
Letter C. Greenhouse gas.
The correct answer is Letter B. Hazardous waste. The ash residue from the burning of hazardous waste itself is highly toxic.
Need to be kept secure from poachers.
Letter A. Non-renewable resources.
Letter B. Extinction.
Letter C. Endangered species. The correct answer is letter C. Endangered species. Endangered species need to be kept secure from poachers. Has been shown to cause floods and drought.
Letter A. Deforestation.
Letter B. Pollution.
Letter C. Smog.
The correct answer is letter A. Deforestation. Deforestation has been shown to cause floods and drought.
Nuclear fusion produces no emissions and only low levels of radioactive waste.
Letter A. Pesticides.
Letter B. Greenhouse gas.
Letter C. Hazardous waste.
The correct answer is letter B. Greenhouse gas. Nuclear fusion produces no greenhouse gas emissions and only low levels of radioactive waste.
The thick hung in the air, obliterating the hills from view.
Letter A. Endangered species.
Letter B. Non-renewable resources.
Letter C. Smog. The correct answer is letter C. Smog. The thick smog hung in the air, obliterating the hills from view. Can kill wildlife and pollute the atmosphere.
Letter A. Pesticides.
Letter B. Deforestation.
Letter C. Extinction.
The correct answer is letter A. Pesticides. Pesticides can kill wildlife and pollute the atmosphere.
Mining of has caused severe environmental problems all over the world.
Letter A. Greenhouse gas.
Letter B. Non-renewable resources.
Letter C. Hazardous waste.
The correct answer is letter B. Non-renewable resources. Mining of non-renewable resources has caused severe environmental problems all over the world.
Fur seals, elephant seals, and the great whales were all hunted to the brink of.
Letter A. Pollution.
Letter B. Endangered species.
Letter C. Extinction. The correct answer is letter C. Extinction. Fur seals, elephant seals, and the great whales were all hunted to the brink of extinction.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.